Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 search bar not working. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your Start menu and search for Task Manager. Now click on your keyboard Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Here you will find the option of Task Manager. You have to click on it. Now go to Windows Explorer. After pressing on Windows Explorer, you have to click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see the option of Restart. You have to click on this. So this is how you can fix Windows 11 search bar not working in your laptop or PC. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.